Today is the day. So last Friday it got cancelled, and now we have rebooked it, and yeah, we're getting ready. See you in a bit. How are we feeling out there tonight?
I'm ready.
Yeah, I'm not feeling great. I'm nervous. I've already been pooping 2 times.
Oh, this is disgusting.
Wish us luck. I will update more soon when we are on our way. Hopefully it's gonna happen.
It will.
It will.
Shows us there even. Where'd it go? Oh, check in.
Here we go. Soon up to be in the air and
landing, because it's easier, safer landing. When you're coming in like this, you can go as far. What's going on, ladies? Woo! What are you about to go do?
skydive!
That's pretty wild. Why are you doing that?
Huh?
Why are you doing that?
Why? That's amazing.
That's good. That's smart.
got it.
Yeah. Who eats? Who's more nervous?
I can't breathe.
Good. Okay. Well, guess what? The plane's waiting. We should probably go get on it, huh?
Okay.
Let's go.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. To create a song, I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Yeah, girl, hold that.
Oh god, I don't know if I can stand up. Oh, my legs.
You fell from the sky!
I did! It was awesome!
Yeah! Are you gonna do it again someday?
Oh, probably, yeah.
That's what we like to hear. Yeah! Thanks for jumping with us at Skydiving
We did it! We just jumped down from the sky!
It was amazing. Oh my gosh.
I'm no words. It was,
I'm still shaking.
yeah. It was so great, and the instructors was just so fun. We had an amazing time, and then I don't know, what was your best part of it?
Well, jumping off the plane was the best part.
Yes.
And then, I don't know, just the whole thing. Oh my gosh, just the whole thing. It was so good.
And oh my gosh, yeah. I was just like screaming like a baby when we were jumping out from the airplane, like, you know. It was, no words.
We should definitely do it again.
Do it again, yeah, yeah.
And if you're about to go, or you're thinking that you're gonna go,
Go.
yes,
Don't even
God.
think about it, go.
yes, yes,
It's gonna be the best thing you've done.
yes.
Have
And
s-
it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful in Utah. All the mountains and the
Yes.
Salt Lake and everything.
And the videos are gonna be interesting to see because I think I was drooling all over and you like there in the air like trying to do like you were doing some cool stuff like a heart and like did some cool hand stuff. I was trying doing a high five and like
I did a hard like.
it was so hard to move up there. It was just, and then when we were like flying around up there or whatever you will call it, I took like
The parachute.
thing and like we're going side to side, and there was also like butterflies in your belly when you were like doing turns and stuff.
That was so beautiful.
Oh yeah, oh my gosh, now we're gonna eat.
We're gonna have some food because I'm hungry.
Food,
It
okay.
makes you hungry. Jumping out, it makes you hungry.
And you need to pee. I did not do anything else in my pants though. It was great. Bye bye.